speaker, you just say that again, please. I don't know. Just speak into the speaker. Man, you speak into the media for the media. Hold on. Okay, now.
Yeah, the immigration has decided to send me back, and they don't allow me to enter Sarawak after the instructions of the state authorities.
Hello.
I'm boarding now. Yeah.
Carry on.
Hello.
Carry on.
Hello. Yes,
Carry on. Carry on.
Yeah, I just received a notice of refusal of entry into Sarawak from the immigration, and they decided to send me back immediately on the same plane back to KL now. So they are escorting me back to the aircraft, and I have to leave Sarawak immediately. And this is certainly blatant disregard of the Immigration Act 1959, where the spirit of the law is certainly very clear. They should not ban any political leaders from entering Sarawak, especially during this campaign period. So I urge all Sarawakian to support the cause of our struggle, Adilan, and support our candidate in this election, so that we can send a strong message to the state authorities that this has to be stopped. Thank you.
Thank you, MB. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Bye.